Rug Doctor have sent us some of their cleaning chemicals to put to the test. We've got the urine eliminator, which will be good when Arlo finally decides he's ready to potty train. It's effective against urine, faeces and vomit stains, and that last one is going to be really handy because, as any mum will know, toddler sick is just as gross as adult sick, but they don't always get it in a bowl. The next one they sent us is the Oxypower Stain Remover. It's oxygen boosted to help remove tough, dried-in stains. You can remove food stains, anything like red wine and coffee, as well as things that your kids might drop, that kind of thing. And they've also sent us the spot and stain remover wipes, which are ideal for quick cleanups of spills and stains. And again, anybody with young kids in the house and nice carpets will understand the need to try and get a spot or a stain up as soon as possible. Then their carpet detergent is what you use with the Rug Doctor Deep Carpet Cleaner. So I will be getting this out of the box very shortly and putting it to the test. This is the Rug Doctor. So it's not very good light because this is a corner of our living room that was once covered by a sofa, but this is either a tea or a coffee stain, I can't remember now. So I'm going to use the Oxypower Stain Remover from Rug Doctor, which is a spray bottle. Generously spray the Oxypower Stain Remover over the affected area and let stand for 3 to 5 minutes. So let's go. Okay, I've just switched the camera back on because it's been just under 2 minutes, and this here was the area where the stain was, and it's already started to disappear. All I've done is sprayed it with the spray. I haven't actually started to dab at it. What you need to do is to blot away the stain gently with a clean, damp, colour-safe sponge or cloth, so I'm just using a microfiber cloth. It does say heavy stains may require more than one treatment. So this was the area of the stain, and I'm just blotting into the centre, and I'm pushing quite hard so you can see that foam there. The stain has gone, which is pretty impressive considering it's been there for a good long while. Okay, so here, I'm not sure if yeah, there you go. So Arlo has been drawing on paper but with a ballpoint pen. You can hear him in the background because I asked him to stop doing it. I'm going to use the Rug Doctor Spot and Stain Remover wipes to see if I can get rid of the blue ink. So, here we go. So, here are the stains. Gone. Let's try again with these other ones. Well, that worked a treat. Good job. So here goes my first go. I'm going to clean this rug, which basically normally lives underneath the kids' table where they have their breakfast and sometimes their dinner. So it's probably going to be a bit grim, but here we go. So I've lowered the handle into a comfortable position. The on-off button is here. I'm switching it to carpet. And off we go! Right, so let's see if you can see how grim that is. The water is literally a murky, nasty colour. So after using all the chemicals that Rug Doctor sent us, I've been really impressed with the Oxypower Stain Remover, which, as you would have seen in the video, it got a tea stain out of our carpet that's been there for over 6 months in under 3 minutes without the need to do a second treatment. The carpet detergent itself that you use with the Rug Doctor works really, really well. You can see an obvious difference as you pull the carpet cleaner back over the carpet. Then it leaves a nice fresh smell, and it also has spot block, which stops stains from hanging around next time. And the stain removal wipes, which are pretty similar to the spray, but in a handy packet,
Not only are they biodegradable and non-toxic, they also don't disintegrate as you use them, so perfect for leaping on things as they happen straight away. And I've also used them on Athena's clothes a couple of times as well. The urine eliminator we've not had a chance to use yet because nobody's been sick or peed anywhere, but if it is effective as this one is at doing what it says, which is removing the uric acid from stains and like urine accidents, so you can also use it on your mattress as well as carpets, then I'm sure this will be coming in very handy when we do start potty training. So yeah, really impressed with the Rug Doctor chemical range, and now I'm planning on cleaning my carpets at least every 3 months, and I will be able to do spot cleaning up as soon as it happens with the rest of the range.